If you've managed to click on this video, I'm sure you're probably interested, even a little bit, in blockchain and cryptocurrency. That's great, and we're happy to have you here. Today, we'll be discussing a new coin that we have yet to discuss on the channel. The Xfinite Entertainment Token, otherwise known as XET. Are you excited to learn more? Stay tuned to the end of this video and let's discover more about the Xfinite Entertainment Token. Welcome to 6-0 Crypto, where you get your daily dose of knowledge for crypto. If you want to get the latest news on the cryptocurrency market, then smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Disclaimer: nothing in this video constitutes professional and/or financial advice. The sole objective of every piece of content on this channel is to promote discussion and sharing of information. Do your own independent research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any decisions based on the information provided. This video is not sponsored by Xfinite or Algorand. First, let's start with the people and company behind the token. What is Xfinite? Xfinite is a group of passionate builders, crypto enthusiasts, and professionals coming together from fields such as content, commerce, and crypto to build a decentralized entertainment ecosystem. They believe the current entertainment landscape needs a Web 3.0 upgrade where premium content is free, access to digital collectibles and creators is seamless. The Xfinite team is led by their Chief Executive Officer, Swanit Singh. XET is a token on the Xfinite ecosystem, which is built on the Algorand blockchain and is energy efficient, cost efficient, fast, has programmable protocol, is immediately scalable, and has pure proof of stake. Algorand is one of the few blockchains built to become carbon negative from the first transaction. With average transaction costs at 0.001 cents, Algorand is cost-effective at scale and perfect for microtransactions. Transactions are immediately finalized, faster than large payment and financial networks, because Algorand operates at 1000 TPS. Algorand is one of the fastest evolving protocols and the first to introduce state proofs for interoperability. Next, Algorand can scale to a high level of transaction throughput. Their payments remain cost-efficient and fast even when used by Manzalo users. And Algorand is one of the strongest networks working on solving the security, scalability, and decentralization trilemma. The Xfinite ecosystem is building a decentralized entertainment ecosystem, a Web 3.0 world where users turn time into rewards, Brands advertise with trust, and creators break boundaries. They're currently building apps that people will use, that are easy to access marketplaces, and communities fans want to be a part of. Such apps include the Mzalo app. Mzalo is the metaverse gateway for millions of users to access premium content for free and help 600 plus brands advertise with trust. Mzalo is an AVOD platform that rewards users for content consumption and engagement. An ad-supported video-on-demand platform. It offers global access to latest premium movies and web series for free. Not just that, you can also enjoy music videos, TV shows, celebrity moments, sports, user-generated content, and games. Using blockchain technology, Mzalo will provide a decentralized model for content provision and distribution, which will create a new generation of media producers and consumers. This will empower them to make choices and decisions that directly shape the future of the entertainment industry in a new age of digitization. Mzalo NFT Marketplace. Mzalo NFT Marketplace is India's largest NFT universe that will bring over 12,000 plus movies, shows, and music to the metaverse while providing an NFT launchpad for up-and-coming artists. If you're a fan of Bollywood and the entertainment industry, I'm sure this is something you would want to learn more about and maybe invest in. What do you think about Xfinite and the XCT coin? We hope you enjoyed this video. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you. We appreciate your support. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And ring the notification bell to make sure you're always notified when we post new content. We hope to see you in the next video. This has been 60 Crypto.